Samsung has officially announced 2020's Galaxy Note lineup. There are two models this year, the regular Galaxy Note 20 and the high-end Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Both features the main thing that different the Note line and including S Pen styles, but the new Notes are more different from each other than you might expect. The regular Galaxy Note 20 lacks important features like a high refresh rate, micro SD storage expansion and periscope zoom lens, but that does not mean it's not expensive. It's $999 for a model and 128GB storage and 8GB of RAM. The Note 20 Ultra meanwhile has everything Samsung know how to throw at a phone: storage for a folding screen and the price to match those specs, $1,299 for the 128GB storage or 12GB RAM models and $1,449 to bump that storage up to 512GB. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has a massive 6.9-inch OLED display capacity of refreshing at 120Hz. It has 3 cameras on the back, one of 108 megapixel while another includes a periscope. It has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus processor and 12GB of RAM, plus the ability to expand. It has base storage which has hand with an SD card. The battery is 4500 mAh and it supports both flavor of 5G. Both phones are coming from stereo speaker with some Dolby technology, IP68 water resist and ship with Android 10. Both can record video at 8K and support external microphone option. Disappointingly, the Note 20 lack a few specs that you get on a Note 20 Ultra. Its display has the usual 60Hz refresh rate you can see on any phone. You also cannot expand its storage with micro SD cards. There are only a 128GB model available.